For nearly 30 years, Care Hospitals has been dedicated to advancing healthcare for our community. Our modern team of experienced specialists and facilities ensure that every patient receives the best possible care. At Care Hospitals HITEC City, we proudly introduce MAKO Robo, a breakthrough in robotic-assisted joint replacement. MAKO is the only robotic technology system designed for partial knee, and total hip replacement procedures. It uses 3D CT imaging to create a surgical plan tailored to your anatomy. This enables extremely precise bone cuts, joint preparation, and implant placement with sub-millimeter accuracy. MAKO's haptic technology is specifically designed to safeguard soft tissue, minimizing the risk of damage during surgery. It enables more accurate implant placement, resulting in fewer bone cuts, less soft tissue damage, reduced pain, faster recovery, and improved outcomes compared to conventional surgery. With approximately 92% patient satisfaction. From first consultation to your complete recovery, our team guides you throughout your treatment journey. At Care Hospitals, we combine compassionate care with innovative technology, setting new standards in orthopedic excellence. Located in the heart of HITEC City, we are here to help you move forward with confidence. Care Hospitals, where advanced technology and expert care come together for you.